Please, hurry! Hurry!
The other side! He's good! He's good!
Mine's right there.
Hey, drop the knife!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Hey, stop walking! Come here!
Get your hands on your pockets!
Hey, come here!
Hey, get your hands out of your pockets!
Hey,
On the ground! On the ground now!
Hey, drop the knife!
Don't let him in! Oh, stop. Hey,
He's got
sorry,
something!
Stop! Bring him back!
And we have a duty as human beings to stand up for one of us, no matter if you are Hmong, no matter if you are black, no matter if you're a poor white person, no matter if you are Hispanic. We have a duty as human beings to stand up for what we believe in. We have a duty when we see an injustice happen to another human being. And an injustice done to one of us is an injustice done to all of us.
Well, after I saw the body cam footage, I completely broke down and bawled my eyes out, because it was so sad to see that literally everything about this interaction went wrong. And the reason why I say that is because from beginning all the way till end, there was never an attempt to de-escalate the situation at all by the St. Paul police officers, which there were many of them on the scene. What I saw in that video was so much commotion. It was such the tone of the police officers from the get-go was so authoritative, meaning that if you didn't comply, then you're doing something wrong, and that we have every right to do what we're doing, which is why we would even go to the degree of killing you. As a collective, have very set demands on what we would want to see. We want to see all of the officers on this team get held accountable. We also want to, for sure, see the two police officers who were at the front line, so Abdirahman Dahir and Nushu Cha, be fired, and also for the lead prosecutor in the case to be State Attorney General Keith Ellison, in order for the entire lawsuit and trial hopefully will be unbiased and fair. And then also transcripts of the dispatch call and any all the information that would describe who was on the scene in terms of the officers, how long have they been in the police force, what type of trainings have they had to. So this information is information that should be public, and it absolutely needs to be. If there's any laws, state laws or city, any sort of laws overall that would stop this information from being shared to the community, those laws absolutely need to change, because this information is and should be public information.
We're here to seek justice. Yia Xiong died in the hands of the St. Paul Police Department officers. 我也要用照顾过，老的要不得死。